Bakit palaging nagngangat-ngat ang mga aso natin? Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. I've been an animal welfare advocate for close to 25 years. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Bakit palaging nagngangat-ngat ang mga aso natin? Kulang lang siya sa enrichment. Chewing is a normal behavior. Hindi ibig sabihin na pasaway ang aso mo. Bored lang siya. Dogs need mental work, kagaya ng tao, hindi lang walks. Mental work means meron mga toys na puzzle, sniffing games, even simple DIY toys, kunyari old towels. Okay na yon. Ito yung mga toys na to that helps release their energy and lessens their boredom. Kapag may outlet sila, less destructive behavior naturally follows. Remember, a dog with a tired mind is a calm dog. Save this tip, baka hindi disiplina ang kailangan. Konting enrichment lang.